What impact has the medical device regulation on the manufacturing processes of a supplier?
So, the new medical device regulation requires suppliers to transform the purely transactional relationship with their customers into real partnership. This means that we are moving away from just delivering a product with given technical features to delivering a complete solution, which means the product itself, but also documentations, processes, and infrastructure.
How did Emerson respond to these increased requirements as a supplier?
So our first step was to establish a global MDR readiness project to assess our status quo and to ensure we have everything in place. As a key initiative, using our ERP system, we expanded our lot traceability capabilities tremendously. This process starts at our suppliers, as we need the correct documents to be shipped along with our parts. As soon as the parts arrive at our facility, they are booked into our ERP, so we can trace every transaction in details. During the assembly process, we match the information related to the components provided by our suppliers with the final product, linked to the customer order to ensure full traceability before shipment.
Which aspects did you have to be aware of while establishing the MDR readiness?
So we see several additional aspects with the MDR in place. Firstly, the need for medical device manufacturers to comply with ISO 13485 imposes requirements toward change control of products. We work closely with our suppliers and our network of experts within Emerson in order to anticipate upcoming changes, so that we and our customers have enough time to adapt to those changes. Secondly, while audits are a common theme, we are now also seeing the demand for audits by the notified bodies of our customers. Lastly, many of these aspects are put into quality agreements between manufacturers and suppliers. Therefore, this must be negotiated, signed, and monitored. This is clearly an area where we see a big increase in effort taking place.
How does Emerson ensure to comply with the new regulations and approvals during the development process?
So when we work with our customers, we are assessing the relevant aspects for MDR right from the start of the project. Our project team has a checklist in order to set the framework. This includes aspects such as traceability, documentation, or material selection, so that we can be sure that our solution supports the MDR requirements the best way possible. An additional capability that we can rely on to fulfill the MDR requirements is our global manufacturing footprint with clean room in Germany, China, and Mexico, allowing us to minimize contamination and ensure product cleanliness.